In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cover page in your Microsoft Word. So assuming I have this document and I intend to have a cover page for it, all I need to do is to come to insert and then I can come to cover page and click. You can see built-in cover pages of different styles. You can select any one of them that you think can depict what you have. Let's say we'll go with something like this, and just by selecting, you can see we've added a cover page that comes before the beginning of the page. So you are now the one to now put in the content of this. For example, you can just say um, the science of getting rich, okay, by Dr. Rashid, something like this. And now you have your cover page. You can customize these icons and thereabout. So you can put in the date here, 2025, um, epic mentorship, for example. This is Zaria. We can say this is Zaria, Nigeria. Okay, so you can now see we have our complete cover page. If you have any image that you want to bring in, you can as well bring it in. But now we have a cover page ready. But you want to bring in any image also, you can specify the point you want to put it, and then you can come to insert. Let's say we'll go to pictures, and then from this device, let's say I have this, and then we can just click on insert, and we can just you can change the alignment, wrap it, uh, behind a text. Okay, so we can say behind text, so we can just resize it and specify the position that we want to put it. Okay, so let's undo this and say um, we can wrap it and put it probably in front of text. Okay, so in front of text, and then we can just find a suitable position for it. Okay, so let's say we have it here as the image that we want in this particular um, cover page. So you can see the cover page is now complete. All right, so you can just go ahead, customize it to your liking, and then we now have a cover page. If you found this helpful, please leave a like. And at any given point, if you want to remove a cover page, you can still come to insert, come to cover page, hit this drop down, and they go to remove current cover page, and that cover page will be gone. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.